So really fast, this is a quick tuna recipe. Everybody knows how to make tuna, but I use the Sunkist, it's Sunkist solid yellow fin with olive oil. So, and the key with this is that I don't, to be honest with you, I have my wife drain this out because I squeeze all the juice. And one of the things about olive oil is that you don't want to get rid of 100% of the olive oil that's in the tuna, because it helps with digestion. Olive oil is very, very good for you. There's just a whole list of reasons. So as you see, I put the tuna in here, got it in here. So you go, but Dana, you had a heart attack. What are you going to put with it? Good question. My son, he's gone on it because he's young and he wants to be healthy. He's actually dropped from 168. He's at 158 the last time he told me and we talked about it. So it's working. So this is what I use. I had the bottle. I've kind of lost my head. 1 second. I'm back. Sorry. I actually use veganese. A lot of people say, what? What it is, it's a vegan alternative to mayonnaise. And I have actually found that when you use it right, I really can't tell a difference. And I actually, this is like 2 spoonfuls. I don't put a lot of this into my tuna fish at all, because you'll see why. So I put that in there. So we're done with that. Now the other thing that I do is I put relish in my tuna fish. Everybody needs relish in their tuna fish. Anybody out there not put relish? Probably somebody saying, yeah, I do. Well, I put relish in it. So I put a spoonful of relish, maybe a little bit more. And since I know that there will be other individuals that will be eating this that don't have a spice kick like I do, but if I'm making it for myself, I put jalapenos in it. A lot of people don't realize that peppers of any kind is actually a very great weight burner for weight loss, to lose any type of weight, belly fat, you name it. Peppers of any sort are good for you to lose weight, and they're healthy for you. So I have that all put in here, and what I do is I take just a little bit of regular mustard and I squirt that in there. Now, tuna fish, of course, unlike the salmon, tuna fish is a dense fish, which means it has lower calories. However, what it lacks is what you saw earlier. Salmon has got a lot more omega-3, and it's got vitamin D and vitamin B12. So overall, I'd have to say if you put these 2 fishes together, tuna outweighs salmon on the calorie, on the weight loss on that side of it, But however, weight loss is still good on the salmon, so they actually don't beat each other. They cancel each other out and they're even. So tuna versus salmon, who wins? Nobody. They're both really, really good for you. So if you want, the other thing that I do is, of course, the trifecta. I'll sprinkle some of that in there. And I like to make a shout out to all my subscribers that are starting to join. You guys are making my recipe channel. It really wasn't a recipe. It was more my journey for how I got healthy and how I got off heart medications as quickly as I did, and the fact that they lowered my epileptic medications and I've gotten a lot better with my seizures, all because of this. And what I do is you can actually put this on bread, or they do make these tortillas, which nobody in this house likes except for me. My son hates them. My wife despises them. But they're fiber tortillas. I believe that fiber is a key to helping you get healthy, lose weight. Because right now, I don't exercise. And do you see belly fat? Because I can't exercise right now. But with that said, we're all done. I'm going to bring it to show it to you guys. And as I say, always, never, ever give up.